Welcome back to the vlog. I do that in every vlog, dude. My arms are just violent.
Keep it going, man.
Welcome back to the vlog, guys. Today is all
about... we're trying to f***ing vlog, man. Where's the...
Shut the fuck up.
Hey, man. 2 videos in a row, back-to-back Subaru content. Man, who cares about this thing even though it's falling apart? What are we doing today, man?
All right, guys. Today is all about turbos.
Holy.
Not really. Just kidding, dude. Come on. Today's all about fuel pumps, guys, and float systems.
They may be asking themselves, where's the fuel pump?
What am I even looking at?
What is that?
This is your fuel pump. This whole contraption sits in your fuel tank. So today we're going to pull my fuel pump assembly out because I am missing a temperature sensor and running a check engine code, and I need to smog. So that needs to get fixed.
Because here at DiffAuto, we abide by the rules of California.
Unfortunately. So we're gonna pull that out, and I'll explain all the hip haps and doodads that's going on with the fuel pump.
What are we doing, man? What are we doing?
Step 1, dude. You gotta clean out the car. What's important is that you clear everything out back here because the fuel tank sits right below the rear seats there. So we're gonna pull out the rear seats and everything.
Now, Don, does this go for the majority of cars and automobiles out there?
Yeah! Stop being weird. Alright, so it turns out I kind of forgot. The last time I did this, I had no back seats in the car because I was full race car, dude.
Damn, bro, are you a race car driver?
Structural rigidity. But you don't even have to take the seats out. It's way easier than that. Get in here, get in here.
Oh,
we're just gonna do
I
this.
remember this place. I've been here before.
It's so good. Add in this brake swap with my dick key. So clean in here. Do this little flapper doodle right here.
Oh, this is a flat. Oh, here, take the camera. Take the camera.
Flapper doodle right here. Ooh, that's what we need.
Oh.
Literally, it could not be easier. You have 2 entrances to your fuel tank. One there and one there. The fuel pump and the float arm and everything we need to get to is under the passenger side.
May be different for your vehicle.
If it's a Subaru, it's not any different.
Let's get to it. We're memeing too much. We gotta get work done, man. We gotta get
Dude,
work
this is
done.
like a 10-second job.
Dude, they don't know that.
R.I.P. Bada bing. Bada boom. Wow. Get in real close, kids. So, we've got a couple doodads here. One is the return line. One is a vacuum line.
See, they don't give a f about that, man. This is why people click away.
Stop cut.
You gotta take that off, you gotta take that off, disconnect that harness, disconnect that harness, and undo all these little...
These are all fuel lines.
Oh yeah, my bad.
So...
Undo all these 4, undo all these 8s, and then done. That's it, that's all they wanna know.
Just grab them with your pliers like this, and you can pull them right off. Okay. Real easy peasy, man. This one has a little locking collar, so we're gonna work on that one last. George.
I don't want to break.
You concern me when you, it was like.
Well, I don't have that.
Unplugs with this little tab right here. Very simple.
You know what? You concern me. How about that? You like that? You concern me. All right. Don't tell me I'm concerning. All right.
Every time I open, it's not even bad, man. Look, these
bro,
are all clean.
I could probably snort that.
No, do it. I want to see this happen, bro.
Yeah, no.
Talk all that schmack, boy.
So Don's being a little safety nerd, and he's like, "I can't plug your battery." So we're gonna do that real quick before we get any further.
I'll let fuel spray everywhere, but I won't let it hit a wire and blow us all up. Okay?
See, look at this dude, all concerned.
I'm not even concerned. You're concerned. Dude. I'm not even scared, bro. Take your little Tanneroni. You're gonna loosen this guy and just pop off your battery cable.
Wow, we're not gonna explode anymore.
Yeah.
You want to explain to the viewers what you're doing?
Okay, so easy ways to get these rubber lines off. These are kind of sensitive lines and you don't want to mess them up. Just like all the rubber Subaru lines. What I usually do with these guys back here is
your race bar is getting in my way, dude. There's too much race action going on.
I will grip them with the pliers and just twist, and that way they kind of crack loose, and then after that I can pull it out.
Ooh.
All right, so this one's coming off nice and easy. It cracked loose. This one, we couldn't even get it to crack loose very well with the pliers. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna gently push it on both sides as I pull right here. But before that, I'm gonna put down a couple little,
They can't see what you're doing.
oh yeah. So we're gonna each push this way as I pull right here and wiggle it, and it'll crack loose and it'll come off. But before we do that, we're gonna take a little towel and we're gonna put it down over the other stuff.
You need a towel. I got you, fam. I got you. I got you.
All right, 3, a 2, and a 1. Hold on, and go ahead. Almost got it. Oh, there you go.
Oh yeah.
So to get this last line off, what you have to do, these little tabs right here, you're gonna push them down. And if you look on the sides, you'll see it has a little lip right here, and that lip has to go under this piece of plastic. Once you do that, you're going to push the white piece back. And once it's past this little plastic piece right here, we'll be able to pull this back.
Okay. So now we're gonna take off all the 8s.
Yeah, we're gonna
Little
push
8
it
mils,
back.
little doodads, and then this whole thing should just come right out. Super easy peasy.
Oh, so easy.
Oh yeah.
All right.
Come on, man. You can do it. Whoa. There you go. There you go. Yeah. That technique, man. That finesse. Why do you have so many of these things?
Okay,
man?
so before I was.
Let me sit down for this. All right.
All right, so I have 3 fuel pump setups here, and that is because this one just came out of the car. This one is from a 91 Outback. This one is from a 2.5 RS. So this one, all the sensors work and everything, and this has the temp sensor. And the easy part about it is everything plugs in the same on the bottom. So we should just be able to plug and play these pieces and make it happen.
So we're gonna play like Tetris right now is what
yeah,
you're saying.
But this one right here, we don't really need it all. I just brought it to explain.
Man, you just making it all complicated for our viewers, man. So you're just gonna transfer fuel pump and this little doodad to protect the temperature sensor.
So we're gonna transfer everything over.
Time lapse. And just like that, go gadget, brand new fuel pump. All right, let's drop it in, man. Let's close out this video.
Already.
So now we're literally gonna just undo the process we just did. Just backwards, man. Super simple. Looks really bulky.
Just damn box, brother. You can do it. I believe in you.
Let me in. Let me in.
So we dropped the fuel pump in, we connected all the lines and the harness, but we haven't completely sealed it. Reason for it is because how Don was saying, he doesn't know if I'm a little dizzy, wow. He doesn't know if the floater is gonna work or not. So we're just gonna connect the battery real quick, just turn on the car, or not completely turn it on, just see if his fuel gauge works pretty much.
We're gonna turn the power on, and then the fuel pump will prime. And
Yeah, hopefully we hear fuel pump priming. They're probably asking themselves, what's a fuel pump priming? It's when pretty much like the fuel pump pushes fuel through the whole system, you know? So if we hear that little noise, it makes a noise. If we hear that and the floater works, super cool. And then we're gonna bolt everything down and we're all done. Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah! It works.
Primed. You don't have to record this. The bulb on the check engine light is off. Sick.
What? Oh man, what kind of smacking action you got going on?
Dude, smacking doesn't work either. Sometimes it's on, sometimes
Dude,
it's not.
if I could still find the video, remember how my tech you literally smacked the dash?
Oh, from your DC.
Oh, if I find it, let it play. So for you ladies out there with check engine light problems, this is how you turn it off. There you go.
Hey.
Honestly, dude, I just call that a job well done.
Dude.
Oh wait, we're not in frame. Do it again. There you go.
Success.
Yeah, man.
No hiccups. That was easy.
That's here DiffAuto. That's very rare.
Good game.
GG. When you install car parts and no
Everything
problems
works.
and everything works well and you're not missing any hardware.
Very rare.
Super rare. So I mean, last bit like put in the interior, blah blah. But we ain't gonna do that. We're gonna keep this vlog nice and short. I don't even actually. I always say it's gonna be nice and short, and it turns out to be more than a 10-minute video every single time.
This one should be pretty short.
Yeah, this one should be short.
Why are we telling you that? You're watching the video and you're like looking at it. It's like we're at 6 minutes.
They
here.
probably didn't even make it that far. Comment below if you think.
Moving on. Thanks for watching, guys. Another day, another vlog. Another week, another vlog.
I don't know how much I can meme this, but stop. Like, nah, I can't do it on our videos. It's hard.
What? Stop apologizing to them.
Who's apologizing?
You're like, sorry.
Thanks for watching today's video. A little short and sweet.
Always appreciate you here at DiffAuto. God, that was so awkward.
Hi.